Late one night in a bustling research lab, a tired scientist working long hours accidentally knocked over a bottle of vinegar, which spilled onto a tray filled with baking soda. The sudden reaction created foam that erupted across the table, catching everyone off guard. Just then, a spark from some equipment ignited a stack of papers nearby. The fire spread quickly, threatening to destroy years of crucial research. With panic setting in, the scientist grabbed the foam-covered tray out of desperation and hurled it toward the flames. To everyone's astonishment, the foam smothered the fire immediately. The accidental combination of vinegar and baking soda produced carbon dioxide, a gas that displaced the oxygen feeding the fire, cutting off its life source like a natural fire blanket. After the crisis was averted, scientists began studying the reaction further, testing different ratios of these simple kitchen ingredients. They are now even developing dual-chamber devices for emergencies. But remember, while fascinating, this experiment doesn't replace professional fire safety measures. Always call for help in an